Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. So today's DIY is going to be for weight loss. If you've been trying to shed some weight, reduce some weight from your body, some kgs from your body, and you've come to the right place. Today's DIY is very simple, guys. Trust me, it's as easy as it can get. And we're going to be talking about the Japanese water therapy today. This is, of course, popular because it got its name from Japanese medicine and among the Japanese people. What is this therapy? Basically, it involves drinking room temperature on warm water on your empty stomach just as you wake up. So as you're waking up in the morning, you're not taking coffee, you're not taking tea, you're having water, plain old water and normal water. What does this do to your system? It cleanses your digestive system, it regulates your gut health, and it has a lot of other varieties of things it does to your body. It can heal a variety of conditions. So the Japanese water therapy involves drinking several glasses of room temperature water every morning just as you wake up. Guys, I know it's difficult to take water. I am someone that I find it difficult to take water, so I know what this is all about. If you can take 2 glasses, then you've done well, or you've started well. So of course this helps you to shed weight. It has a lot of other things it can do to your body. Constipation, if you are someone that gets easily constipated, try and practice drinking warm water as you wake up in the morning. It also helps with high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and even some kind of cancers. So guys, there's nothing bad in you drinking water as you wake up in the morning. Otherwise, it will do you a whole lot of good. So let me point out something for you guys. The Japanese people or Japanese medicine believe that cold water is harmful because it can cause the fats and oils in your body, or in your food rather, to harden in your digestive tract, thereby slowing down digestion and causing disease. Well guys, this is like a school of thought. Everybody has their own belief, but their belief is that warm water is better, and I personally think so as well. Especially when you finish eating, make sure you drink warm water. Even if you don't drink warm water, the first thing you should do is when you wake up, you drink the warm water. So it helps to cleanse your body from harmful metals, toxins, and other things that causes slow digestion. So it's very simple. I have a ginger here, if you can see this. And this is just like an additive. It's not so compulsory. It's just to make your water more interesting for those that do not like water. So I'll just cut up some ginger. If you want to use strawberries, use your strawberries. If you want to use your lemon slices, use your lemon slices. Basically anything that will make you want to drink warm water as you wake up. So I have a glass here, and I'll just put my ginger here. I have some lemon juice as well. I'll just take a bit of lemon juice in there. Like I said, this is optional. You can also switch it around and do the one that suits you best, any water that suits you best. And of course, my warm water. This is the most important. Warm water, please, not hot, just warm water. Room temperature water is even fine. So guys, this is all you need. This is the Japanese water therapy. Doing this will help you to set your body in motion. It also helps to fasten your, it helps your metabolism to be very high and fast, and it helps to decrease fat storage in your body. By the time you do this consecutively, you'll see that you don't even have a lot of cravings. The lemon I added actually helps you to beat those cravings. And when you start your day like this, you'll find out that all those fizzy drinks you take, all those extras you take, you don't really need them. This will give you the required energy you need to jumpstart your day with. You don't need to have extra things. It's fine if you take all those things, but you're not taking it in excess. By the time you take a lot of food in excess, that is what leads to a lot of fat gain. But when you're eating what you're supposed to eat, or you're eating lower, then you're sure that you are not going to be adding extra calories. And let me just point this out here as well. Sometimes you're not necessarily hungry, your body is just dehydrated. Sometimes when you're dehydrated, it seems like you are hungry, but you're not hungry. How do you feel when you've eaten a large meal and you feel like eating something else again? You don't actually need the food. What you should be taking is water, and you don't just stop in the like when you wake up. Have this all through the day. Take your water. It's very easy, guys. It's very simple, but the truth is that a lot of us do not like water. This is just a reminder that you should take more water as necessary, and you'll be surprised, like with just drinking water, you'll be on your way to your weight loss goal, and you will have it. Your skin will be flawless. You will glow, like really glow. So this is my tip for you today. Let me drink mine. So I just had a bit of water already. So guys, make sure you drink your water as you wake up, and make sure you take it along as you go on the day. This is my tip. If you enjoyed this video, kindly thumbs up to this video, kindly share as well, kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you know when I drop brand new videos. I'd love to see you come back another time. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay beautiful. Bye.